Operating cycle working capital requirements. First, what is working capital requirements? Working capital requirements is a financial metric na nagpapakita ng halaga ng mga mapagkukunang pinansyal na kailangan upang masakop ang mga gastos sa production cycle, paparating na mga gastos sa pagpapatakbo at pagbabayad ng mga utang. Operating cycle method for estimating working capital is based on the duration of the operating cycle. The longer the period of the cycle, the bigger will be the working capital requirements. And operating cycle means the cycle of raw material to work in progress to finished goods to accounts payable and finally to cash. The operating cycle consists of three basic functions: the production, sales, and collections. The length of the cycle depends on the respective efficiencies of conversion of raw materials, work in process, and finished goods into sales, and of accounts receivable into cash. Purchasing, production, and distribution practices that lower the inventory turnover ratio increase the operating cycle. Working capital requirements can be defined as the difference between current operational requirements and current operational resources. Current operational requirements such as inventories and accounts receivable, and the current operational resources such as accounts payable and accruals. Operational requirements and operational resources are spontaneous items associated exclusively with the operating cycle, procurement, production, and sales. WCC or working capital cycle refers to number of days required for the entire process of business, from the purchase of raw materials to the realization from the customer. Example, footwear manufacturer. As the image shows, first the company procures raw material wrapper and start processing it to derive the final product, that is footwear. The process involved is known as work in progress, and the final product is called finished goods. Once the raw material is converted into finished goods, they are sold to customer, which concludes the sales part of the cycle. The last part of the cycle is dealing with the realization from customer recovery from debtors' cash. Once the cash is received, the cycle is complete. There is one more piece to this puzzle, as we are buying raw material from some other company. We will also receive some credit period for the same. This period or days are to be reduced from the above days to arrive at working capital cycle.